Hello, I'm excited to talk about printmaking techniques. Printmaking has been a technique used all over the world for fabrics, for coming up with different designs, even for artwork. Artists have been using printmaking techniques to design their clothes, and we're going to look at Indian textiles for inspiration. Indian textiles have been around since the second millennium. Wow! Printmaking, textiles. Clothes? What is printmaking? Printmaking is a form of art that involves transferring ink to paper. Or fabric, textiles. We're going to use this as our ink block, and we're going to take some paint and prepare it to stamp down tree that we've been working on. So, I need to make a block. What's a block? A block is what you use as a stamp for your print. Now, some people use a variety of materials and different things they find for their ink block. We're going to be using some foam and gluing this onto our piece of styrofoam. So, if you'd like, you could use some of those stencils that we used for our radial symmetry project, or you can freehand. Now, I do have to say that when you freehand and you make up organic shapes that come from your imagination, those prints tend to look a lot more interesting and they just add a variety. So don't feel like you have to use these stencils, but if you would like, you're welcome to use them. And I'm going to use this trick where I fold my foam in half, and when I cut this out, it's going to be creating double the shapes. So here I'm just going to go ahead and start cutting and taking my time to cut these shapes as best as I can. Once I cut out all my shapes, I'm going to arrange them in a really interesting way on my styrofoam so that my ink block will be very cool when I take it off the print. So just making some last minute cleanup on those edges, and I'm ready to start gluing these down on the styrofoam. So I'm going to be using the liquid glue and a paintbrush, and when I glue this down, I'm going to make sure that they stick really good. The more interesting your shapes, the more interesting your print will be. I hope you enjoy. Let's get ready to print make.